Hey guys, well, I just picked up this Yamaha. It's a 1999 400 YZ400F. And I picked it up for like 500 bucks. And it has some issues. Mainly this one. That's not good. It just locks up. The paint's not all that great. It's been a hodgepodge of paint. Other mechanical issues it may have is the rear end. I don't think the bearings are not too bad. But this is a real problem. It just locks up solid. And then if I go if I go the other way with it, it'll go for a little bit, but then now there it just locks up. You see, I can't get it to go, but I can go the other way and I can feel something hitting, and then it'll lock up again. Right there, boom. So I'm not sure what's going on. There's, that's it. The chain is in there. Okay, mystery solved. That was kind of weird. Actually, I have a new chain, timing chain. So basically, I'm just gonna take all this off, pull the engine out. Once I get the head rebuilt, got the head over there. I got to put in one guide, and just need to clean the carb, get everything just straightened out. Mostly came with an hour meter. Does anybody know how to hook that up? Because I don't know. It goes on the I'll have to look online where it connects to. But yeah, I hate it when people paint plastic. It just doesn't look right. It's always cheesy. So it's got the faux carbon fiber fork covers. At least the fork covers on the front are still there. They look usable. It's got a small bash plate, and I don't know, just gonna have to drain the oil out of it and kind of go from there. And well, I didn't think it was a bad deal for 500 bucks. Looks like they put some risers on those. Okay, aftermarket. But I just want to get the engine out of it, and then just clean it up real good. Other than that, not much else to it. Just paint it up. I don't feel a ridge. Sometimes you feel a ridge there. These are nickel cell cylinder liners. I'm not a big fan of them. I'd rather have a sleeve. But it looks like a new piston too. It all needs to be cleaned up and properly put back together, not just hodgepodge together like this case. So, well, excuse me, we'll get this thing going. We'll catch you later.